So I'm going to break down a nifty move, and it looks like this. Comes off the Nunchaku Eagle, so I'm going to break it down and all the technicalities that go with it, so hopefully we'll all be able to do this by the end of this video. So first of all, what we're going to do, okay, so we're going to hold this with 2 sticks in one hand and 1 in the other. The one that's got 1 stick and it's just flopping down here, what we're going to do is we're going to have our palm facing down, and we're going to grab this like this. Now from here, we've got our palm facing down with these 2 sticks here. What we need to do is we need to throw this in the air, but at the same time we're going to raise this hand. Okay, and that is going to allow this switch here where we're switching the grip on this side, okay? So what we're going to do from there, with our palm facing up, okay, because if our palm's facing down, we can't throw the stick on the top over this way, because these 2 fingers are in the way. So what we need to do is need to make sure that our palm is facing up. Now the stick that's on the top on this side, which is the blue, and the yellow one's at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to throw this whole blue stick into this motion, and the yellow stick, but we're going to let go of the blue stick and we're going to keep hold of the yellow stick, and that will be like this. Now if you notice how the yellow stick is on the top, that is going to be very important for successfully doing a back-to-back from this almost eagle position, okay? So as we do the eagle, you notice it jumps up and it jumps down. Well, when we do the eagle, what we need to do is we need to throw this behind the blue stick. So I'll be throwing it behind. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my hand back and grab this whole motion. So all in one, we're going to let the eagle fly off and turn our palm back, do you see? And that causes this weird variation. So from here, what we can do is we can throw it into the air, you see? And that's basically the move that I've been working on. I hope this helps you out. It's been very complex learning it yesterday. It took me about 6 hours to kind of find it out. So I'm happy to share it with you guys. Cheers.